Hey guys, this is Chad Lee again with MetalWorks for a quick update on our 63 Riviera build. There's been a lot of kind of behind the scenes metal work and mock-up and custom fab in this last set of videos here. A lot of mounting components underneath the dash, and then Jameson did a bunch of work on the hood for a custom hood latch setup, and then a lot of work with Nick and Justin trying to get the front end dialed in, as well as getting the rear bumper to fit. So got a bunch of footage for you guys to check out, so let's dive on into it. You can see Jameson just working on some custom brackets up inside the firewall here. Here we can see Jameson is starting to work on some of the front end pieces. Building a hood latch assembly. Getting ready to cut that out right now.
Well, the next time you need a car delivered to your doorstep, visit drivekite.com. That's drivekite, KYTE.com.
Yeah, because if that came down,
You can see Jameson adding some extra material and strength to the hood hinges.
whoa!
Jameson working on the male side of the hood latch now. it has a See, Nick is now working on some patch panels for some rust in the back window area. Both sides of the back window. You can see the guy's got the trunk lid mounted. And Nick had cleaned the lead out of all the seams and has now welded those up, as well as fixing the rust spots there in the bottom side of the rear window here. So the guys are jumping on the front of the Riviera. Here you can see the stock 63 grill, and we're using a 65 grill for doing hidden headlights. So you can see the difference in the width of the grill. So now Nick is working on some side mounts for the 65 grill. You can see they got most of the front end put together here. Got the later model grill in place. A lot of fitment and adjusting there to get that all dialed in. Nick made some custom tabs here for the mounting the 65 grill. So that all comes out real nice and clean. Guys have also been working at fitment of the rear bumper. Lots of small tweaks and adjustments after Nick had made custom rear mounts for the bumper. So that's making some good progress. Alright guys, that's where the Riviera build stands for now. Thanks for checking in. We'll talk to you guys real soon. Take care.